Okay, I'm gonna do a video on bucket of clean water here. Using the Yello boy. So what I got here is a microfiber rag, my drill brush, and I got a wash mitt. Just gonna do it the old school way. Show you guys that how good this product is. Not even using the extractor. Now you can use the extractor afterwards. A lot of times that's what I do. I get it best I can and then I extract it out. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna, of course, the Yello boy. Let me see. This one here is pretty bad. So usually I don't really soak the seat too much. But I'm gonna soak this one a little bit here. So this one here is kind of bad. And usually I have my gloves on, but I don't have them on in this video. Soak it like this here. So I just want to show you guys, it's not like I'm like I let the product sit in the seat for like pre-soak. I didn't do none of that. Put it on this side, see that little camera get on this. So there you go. Hit the seat down. You should just I like to get it just a little wet. This here is I'm about to go a little deep, so when you go a little deeper, you just go a little wet. Just go up in a circular motion like this, what we see. Yes. Again, guys, usually I have on my gloves. Some of these cars, seats can kind of get a little dirty. As you can see, it's already working. Let me get on this side. I know you guys have picked me apart on the video, saying I didn't get down here, but this is an example video. Again, guys, an example. Don't take this serious. This is a dummy car that I'm doing right now. So I'll show you how good this thing works. And sometimes what I do is I hit it again with a little bit more yellow. Since I worked it in, I hit just a little bit of the yellow like that. Get an even coat over it. And then I'll take my brush and just turn it down a little bit. This has 2 speeds. I use it on 1. Hit the seat like this. Sometimes I use it on low speed because I don't want to tear the seat up or mess the fabric up. But sometimes you can mess the fabric up with these brushes. So you have to be a little careful. Look at that. Look at the dirt in that seat. Sometimes guys have to sit around here like this. Let's take it side. Like that. And then what I do is I dip my microfiber rag. I'm gonna show you how to pull that dirt out of the seat, not the extractor. As you can see, my towel is yellow. I want you guys to see this. See how yellow it is? I'm gonna do this side, it's a little more yellow. And I'm just gonna hit the seat like this. Show you how the Yello boy breaks up dirt, the buildup. Look at that. Look at that. That yellow's gonna pull it up out of the seat. All that dirt coming out. Now I'm gonna flip it again, guys. Show you. That's the. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go on this side so it's a clean side. There you go. So there we go, right there, right? Go again. Touch it around the seat. And this is without the extractor. Make it clear. No extractor. By hand. I'm telling you how good this product is. Look at that. Look at that. The dirt came out of that seat. And sometimes what I do, I go back in and I repeat it. Now if you have the extractor, of course the extractor, you have to maybe repeat it, but this is an example video of the product works. So just imagine if I had my extractor, the seed would come out probably 10 times better, but a lot of people don't have extractor, so that's why I'm doing the old way by hand, showing you this product is good. I just want to show you guys. I know you've seen it before and after. Look at that. Still pulling dirt out of that seed. Look at that. But there you go. I know you see the difference. That's the Yello boy. That's what we use, the Yello boy. That's this right here. The Yello boy. Gotta go order this, I'm telling you. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to use these products. Like I tell you, man, we use this stuff every day, all day. We wash cars every day, so it isn't like someone's sitting behind a desk saying, hey, this worked. We use this every day. So I know the results of this right here. As you can see, I just did it. Yello boy for the win. Just Yello boy it.